Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix delayed payout in Toast. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the Toast app or Toast web and tap on payouts. So scan the payout history list. Now a stock deposit shows a red delayed status instead of the usual green paid. So tap on the row to open the details. Next is read the hold reason. So the payout details screen shows the hold reason. So the usual ones are bank account verification required, unusual sales volume review, or the business information incomplete. So bank holidays and weekends also add 1 to 2 business days on their own. Next is tap on verify bank account, or you can also go to settings, tap on payments and bank account. So in here, you have to re-enter your 9-digit routing number and account number and tap on verify. A closed or changed account is the #1 key or the #1 cause of the permanent stock Toast payout. So funds bounce back and re-queue. Next is if Toast asked for documents, upload a voided check and the business checking account and your IRS EIN verification letter. Photos must be in color, fully in frame, and unedited. So tap and submit, and review normally takes 1 to 2 business days. And lastly is once cleared, the payout screen shows a green deposited badge with the amount and the bank account it landed in. Your normal next day schedule resumes automatically, no need to reconfigure anything. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!